Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the video and the precise audio format you need. Pick MP3 for compatibility or WAV for lossless. Once you have the file, open your converter or launch FFmpeg. Make sure the tool recognizes the input. You'll set the target bitrate and channels now because those choices affect size and quality. While you do this, note if you need mono versus stereo and whether silence trimming is required. Setting these options early prevents rework later. Now extract the audio. With FFmpeg, use a single command mapping only the audio stream. With an app, choose Export Audio or Save As and pick your codec. Once done, set sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz and confirm bitrate and channels. Make sure to preview a 10-20 second segment to check levels and lip sync alignment because correcting sync issues later is harder. If levels are low, boost gain or normalize before final rendering. Finish by exporting the final audio file and quickly verify playback across devices. Check metadata tags and file size to confirm bitrate applied. If you encounter audio desync, re-extract using explicit timestamp options or remux the original video to preserve stream timing. That resolves most sync errors. If you hear clipping or artifacts, normalize or apply gentle compression and a short fade-in/out. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep the original video file until you confirm the audio is perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.